Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. Today, we're going to continue building our knowledge of Bluebeam Revu by uncovering the power behind the Markups List. We'll look at ways we can sort, filter, hide, and import all this valuable data. Be ready to take notes. This will be another informative presentation. So first off, let's look at the different columns that are available. So the markups list can be used for a lot of different functions. In this snagging list, it's just collecting a bunch of information, things that need to be fixed before the keys are handed over for this building. So you can use it for estimating, snagging lists. We can use it for design review, which basically creates a to-do list for anybody applying the changes that you're marking up. And you could use it for even scheduling some different projects and things like that as well. Thanks for joining us. Reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.